Hello everyone, today we will introduce you a new LUGONG mini loader E188. The length is 4.15 meter, 1 meter wide, 2.48 meter, anti-tapping frame height, mainly suitable for garden, landscape, basement, container, narrow lane and other narrow spaces. Adopt articulated design, flexible steering, equipped with articulated safety lug to ensure maintenance safety. The lifting weight of boom is 1.2 to 1.5 tons. Bucket capacity of 0.3 cubic meter. Bucket capacity can be customized. Standard loader is equipped with quick hitch, can replace a variety of attachments quickly, enhance the work efficiency, equipped with a large radiator for high heat, dissipation efficiency to avoid engine overheating. Standard loader with Euro stage, 5 Yanmar 3-cylinder engine, Kubota, Xinchai and other brands of diesel engines as an option, compared with the electric loader. The diesel engine is explosive, rising force high efficiency, and not limited by electricity. Hydrostatic system adopts plunger pump, with hydraulic motor and imported hydraulic pipeline, with efficient transmission and stable quality. The instrument panel is LED with a clear display, making it easy to observe the entire loader dynamics. Electronically controlled pallet handle, integrated control, flexible and efficient. Adopt pneumatic tires with excellent anti-slip properties. For more details, please follow our official website, www.lugongma.com.